The blinking blue light on your Straight Talk home internet modem indicates it's searching for a cellular network signal. This usually means a weak signal, network outage, modem malfunction, or interference. A solid blue light means a stable connection. First, try simple fixes such as restarting the modem. Unplug it, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Then, check the signal strength using the Straight Talk app and reposition the modem near a window. Make sure you have the latest firmware accessible through the app or website, as updates often include fixes for blinking issues. If the blinking blue light continues despite basic fixes, here are advanced troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. First, check for service outages on Straight Talk's status page. Call support to verify there isn't a billing issue affecting your connectivity. Ensure the SIM card is securely inserted in the device. Check that the modem isn't overheating, which can cause connectivity issues. For persistent problems, consider a factory reset through the Straight Talk app. If none of these work, contact Straight Talk support for a replacement modem, as it may indicate hardware failure. Using an external antenna can significantly improve signal strength, especially in rural areas. AI-driven diagnostics in the app can help predict and prevent LED issues based on your usage data. If you're in an area with 5G coverage, upgrading to a 5G modem may resolve the blinking issue.